Today we're going to be talking about Unit 6, Lesson 2 and 3, which is our start of our multiplication. But this is actually patterns. So we're going to look at the set of numbers and figure out our patterns. And as time goes on, it helps us in our multiplication. If we look at the first set, we have a 2, a 7, a 2, and a 7, a 2, and a 7. So you can see they're repeating the same two digits. If you look at these two, then look at these two, and then look at these two. So the next set of numbers would be 2, 7. And again, 2, 7. And again, 2, 7. And that would go on infinity. Our next set we're going to look at is number 3 on page 187. We can see it's 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So these three are our repeating numbers or our pattern that we see. So our next one will be 1, 3, 2, and then 1, 3, 2, and so on. And they call that repetitive patterns. And I want you guys to try numbers 2 and 4 at home. So do number 2 and 4 tonight on page 187. Shouldn't take you very long. Just do a couple like I've done here. Don't have to do a whole bunch. Just do a couple of the patterns. But I do want to talk about number 5, which is our skip count. Number 5 is what they call skip counting. And we're going to be starting off at 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. And then the rest we're going to fill in. And really, it's just a skipping by twos. So we skip by twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Our next would be 12, 14, 16, and so on. So you can kind of see the pattern there by skipping by twos. And then number 7 is done by threes. So we're going to start off with, actually it's done by twos again, I apologize. Let's do the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, and then it says, what's the next number? So this was evens, and these are going to be the odds. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. And you can see that's how we do with the multiples of 2 as well. So it kind of helps us out in that way. I want you to try number 9 at home tonight. Just number 9. Don't do all the other ones. Number 9 on page 187. And that's skip counts by 5s. And if we flip over to page 189, that's when we did our skip count by 3s. So on page 189, we're going to be doing, it's 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. And then it has these blanks in here and so on. And what you have to think here is, okay, so if we're doing, first of all, you have to notice the pattern. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8, again, is 3. 14 minus 11, 4 minus 1 is 3. So you can see the pattern is 3 every time. You go 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And then just keep doing that, and you can see it's just going to be the pattern all the way through. So they're by 3s. Oops, I must have made a mistake there. That should be 29, that should be 32. So just be careful on that. Try number 2 for tonight. And then that's where we're going to stop at, because I want to do more of that in class. So just do number 2. That's number 1 on page 189. I want you to do number 2 tonight. And now, you've been flipped.